What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Wooden Spoon Cooking Show. And today we are making
crostini with spinach dip wrapped in caramelized bacon, or otherwise known as millionaire's bacon.
Millionaire's bacon. But what is there a shorter name for this or no?
Bacon wrapped spinach dip crostini.
It's gonna be a long title up there.
Marvelous. It's amazing.
Very good. All right. So what's step one?
First step, you get a baking sheet. Don't put anything on it. We have bacon. I have a whole pound here. It calls for 12 slices. And then a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. It calls for dark brown sugar, but I use light. And then you're just gonna mix it.
So what's dark brown sugar?
It's just a darker color. This is light brown. So you're just gonna mix the bacon and make sure it's all covered. Give me a little bit more brown sugar. Right there.
Good thing it's labeled brown sugar.
You want to open it for me? Dad labels it. He labels everything. Yeah, just put a little bit in there. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Breaking up the clumps.
That's okay. Okay, so what I did with the bacon before I put it in the bowl was I cut each slice in half. So this is a half a slice of bacon. And then we're just gonna put it on the baking sheet. See, so each piece is pretty much coated with the brown sugar. This is amazing. My friend Annie told me that in Florida there's a restaurant and they call it millionaire's bacon because it is just
It's candy bacon.
candy bacon. Because it tastes like $1 million. So we're going to do this and get it ready to go in a 425 degree oven for about 7 minutes. So we'll get this ready and we'll be right back. We're going to put it in a 425 degree oven for about 7 minutes.
What's the cheesecake?
It'll be great, so we can do the next step because that's going to be done in. Oh, I didn't set the timer. Hurry up.
Am I grating in here?
Just grate it. I need a cup.
You need a whole cup?
Yeah.
You'll be here for hours.
It's a gravy, buddy. This is the stuff I let Nico do. Smile, Luigi. I don't know. Mom used to say that.
What?
Smile, Luigi.
What dumb shit is that?
Okay, everyone, we're going to take the bacon out. It's been about 7 minutes.
It smells good.
And this is what it looks like. Okay, so. And we're going to leave the oven on because we're going to put all this back in. So just keep this, and then I'll show you what to do with this in a minute. Right now, we're going to make the filling, or the topping for it, okay? So I got some frozen chopped spinach that I let defrost, and I took all the water out. Just one small package. I believe it's 9 ounces. Yep. And then a stick of cream cheese, softened. Then we are going to use a cup of Parmesan cheese. Nico just grated it.
This is really healthy.
And a 1/4 cup of mayo.
This is really healthy.
Yes. This is the stuff my trainers don't want me to see me making. Put that in the sink. And it calls for 2 cloves of garlic. I don't use fresh garlic. Everybody knows I use the minced, so I'm just going to use 2.
Everybody knows.
2 teaspoons. Like that.
This is really healthy.
And some black pepper. Nico, there's no salt in this. Why is there no salt in this?
It's not healthy. It's bacon salty.
And what else is salty?
I don't want to say.
You're salty. And then you're just going to mix it all up. Okay, while Nico mixes that up, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with the bacon. And we're just going to put it on a plate. It's going to try to stick there for a little bit. And you can see it's not cooked all the way, but we're gonna put it back in the oven, so. Look at all that gooey. You know what?
What? What?
Look at this. Scrape it off a little easier. This is like, if you've never had this, it is amazing. So if you're trying to decide what to have for dinner, or you're not really having guests right now, but when this is all over and you can have a party, this is a great appetizer. But if you're having like, I'm not really too hungry tonight and you want to make something, this is great. And if you have filling left over, just put it in the fridge and have it the next day. Okay guys, so we took everything out and I know there's still some residue on the pan, but it actually gives it flavor, so you're just going to spray over that with pan, okay? Now we have our filling all ready, we have our bacon. Now we just have to cut a baguette for the crostini. You can cut them as thick or thin as you want, but you want about 24 slices. The topping, you put as much or as little on it, and then you put it in the pan, and then Nico's going to wrap a piece of bacon on it. You're just going to spread that on top, and then you're going to put it on the back on the baking sheet. You can put as much or as little as you want. There's quite a bit in here. We always usually have some left over for the next day. And you're not going to toast the bread or anything because it's going to toast when you put it back in the oven. Now we have them all done. We are going to kind of wrap them in the bacon.
What's that thing from the Amanda Show?
What?
Bacon.
Bacon good.
Right? No?
What?
Never mind.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It'll be edited into the
Okay.
video.
In the oven, same to 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. All set, a little smoky. That's from all the stuff on the bottom. Oh, Nico gets to wash this pan. Set. Oh.
Get up close. Really close. This is going to be the background on the thunder.
My filming? Oh, perfect.
Show the bottom. Ooh, ow, that's hot.
I just took it out of the oven.
Cut. Big taste test. What's the exact name? Bacon wrapped spinach crostini. Oh my.
Show the bottom.
We get like 30 of these things.
That's all it's for dinner tonight. So. But look at how many you get. Isn't that a beautiful dish for like a party when we can have parties together again and we can all get together?
Very good.
Nobody wants to see you eat. This is a good one, guys.
In between two scores.
Go
You know what?
for Ireland.
It's gonna be a rookie score 9.0 on that bacon wrap. Spinach Crostini. Amazing. Let us know what else you want us to cook. Send us pictures if you do make it. We'll always repost it.
You can make it without the bacon too if you want to make it with just the spinach.
Don't make it without the bacon.
But the bacon's amazing.
Code Cooking Show gets a 10% off shirts like this at thewoodenspoonstore.com.
And now you have masks.
We have face masks now, but I don't know if you're watching this video and it's not 2020. The world ended. I'm just kidding.
That's not
All
funny.
right. Love you guys. See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone.
Ciao.
Stay safe.